Hello children, welcome back. So today we will go through the print commands that are used in Logo and how to do different types of calculations in Logo like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so this is from chapter number 7, Logo commands. So let us begin. So in my desktop, you can see the icon here. We call this as a Microsoft Windows logo icon. Okay. Or what you can also do is in the search box, you can simply type logo. So you can see the logo icon here as well, Microsoft Windows logo. So simply just click on this icon. Okay. Now you can see that this is the logo window, and in the last class I have already explained the different parts of the logo window. I have talked about the main screen, about the parts of commander window like say input box and a recall list box. Okay, so let us start first with the print command. Now you see that the print is a very important primitive, or what we call command, to display a letter or a number or the word or a sentence. Means you can display a letter or a number, even the word or sentence in the commander window, okay, by using a print command. So if you want to display any of the number, you can type print here. Okay, print, print. So this print is a command, and you can type it either in the capital letter or in the small letter as well, or the short form for the print is PR. So you can type PR as well. Suppose say I want to print the number 100, so I will write print space 100. Okay, press the enter key, or you can click on the execute button as well. So you can see that in the commander window the 100 has got printed. Okay, so similarly, if you want to print the letter, what you need to do is you need to put the letter in a double quote. Okay, suppose say print print, you need to give the space by pressing the space bar, double quote. Okay, after double quote, suppose say T. You just, if you want to display the letter, just type the letter and click on execute button or press the enter key. Now you can see that the letter has got printed. Similarly, if you want to print the word, then just like the one that you have printed the letter, you have to use the double quote and type the word. Suppose say techno. Okay, press enter key or execute button. You can see that the word has got printed. So if you want to print a letter or a word, always remember that you have to print type it after the double quote. Okay, now printing a sentence. Suppose if you want to print the sentence, then you need to put the sentence inside the square bracket. Okay, so let me type print, open square bracket, and let me type Techno India Group Public School. Okay, close the bracket. So let me remind you once again, if you want to print the sentence, then your sentence should be inside the opening and a closing box bracket. Okay, and print enter key. You can see that the Techno India Group Public School has been printed. Okay, so in this way you can print the numbers, you can print the letter, or you can print the sentence as well. Now let us start with the print first command. Okay, print, print first first. So what exactly the print first command will do is, it is used to display the first word of the sentence. Okay, it will display the first word of the sentence given in the square bracket, or it is also used to display the first character of the word. Okay, suppose say let me put the word in the double quote here, TECHNO, techno. Now you can see that I have used the word within the double quote. Now if you execute or press the enter key, you can see that it has just printed the first letter of the word techno, that is T. Okay, now let me use again the command that is print first. Now as I am going to print the first word of the sentence. And as you all know that if you want to print the sentence, you have to put that sentence inside the square bracket. Okay, so let me type here Techno India Public School. Okay, now what will this particular statement will display? It will display the first letter of this sentence, that is Techno. Now execute or press the enter key, so you can see that the first letter has been, the first word of the sentence has been displayed. Okay, so in this way, if you want to display only the first letter of the word, then you have to use the print first command, okay, followed by the double quote and the word. If you want to print the first word of the sentence, then again the print first command followed by a opening and closing box bracket with the sentence. Okay, now let us see the next command, that is print last. Okay, just like the print first, by using the print last command, it will print the last letter of the word or a last word of the sentence. Okay, suppose print last, okay, followed by a double quote TECHNO, Techno. Just execute it. You can see that the O, that is last word of the sentence, that is O, has been displayed. Okay, so similarly, if you want to print the last word of the sentence, then inside the square bracket just type TECHNO, Techno India Group Public School. Okay, close the bracket, press enter key. You can see that the last word of the sentence, that the school has been printed. Okay, now let us see how to do different types of calculation in logo. Okay, now suppose if you want to add any of the number, okay, we will use sum function, SUM sum. Okay, so let me write down PRINT, print SUM sum. So sum means addition. So after writing print sum, you can use the number, suppose say 50. Okay, give the space, then write down suppose say 100, means print sum 50 100. So what it will print? It will print 150. Okay, so similarly you can directly use the operator as well. Suppose say PRINT, print. So instead of sum, you can write down suppose say 50, okay, plus 100. You can also directly use the operator, press enter key, so it will show 150. Okay, so either you can use the plus operator or you can use the sum function. Now suppose if you want to subtract the number, so you can use the difference function. Okay, DIFFERENCE, difference. Difference means subtraction. Okay, so after difference, print difference. Suppose say I want to subtract, okay, 50 from 100. So 100 space 50. Execute, print, click the enter button. So you can see that 100 minus 50 is 50. So I have used the difference function here, or a difference command here. Or what you can also directly do is you can write down the print, okay, 100 minus 50. So you can use the minus operator directly as well. Okay, so this is how we find the difference or the subtraction between the two numbers. So similarly, if you want to find the suppose multiplication of any of the number, then we have to use the product function, PRODUCT, product. Okay, product means multiplication. Suppose say 50 into 100 is equal to, you can see that it's 5000. Or instead of that one, what you can directly do is after the print command, you can use the number, suppose say 50, okay, and multiplication. So you need to use the asterisk sign. See here, if you see here, we call this as an asterisk sign. Okay, so this symbol is used to multiply the number. Okay, after that type another number, click on execute button. You can see you will get the same value. Okay, so if you want to multiply any of the number, either you can use the product command, or you can also use a asterisk sign as well. Okay, so this is all in today's class, children. Okay, hope you have understood it. Again, we will meet it in the next class. Thank you.